Alright, what's going on, everybody? What we're going to do here is use this hory knife, and I'm actually going to try and dig up these weeds and not spray. I sprayed a little bit in some areas when I was doing another spray, but I don't want to harm grass here because I sprigged this, just a month ago. So we're going to try to go this way and see how it goes. So what I'll do is, after I get all these picked up as much as I can, I'll bring sand back out, fill in any of the major holes that are left. So I'm just going to find the center of the plant here and try to lift it up that way, like that. Same thing here. I think this is like a nut sedge or something. I don't know, but I got it up either way.
How we end up. The game is set to play. Every day remains the same now. One decision we obey. I just wanna climb on top of a hill and throw it all away, away. Take me far away before my mind spins off and I am all derailed, derailed. Just drive all the way to the rainbow's end. Just drive, and we'll never turn our backs again.
Alright, so here's batch one of the weeds. I mean, look at this. I mean, I've probably done a third of the area. Still got quite a bit left, and this is crazy how big they grow. I mean, I think a lot of that's because the web been feeding that area to try to grow in the sprigs, and I haven't done anything for the weeds. But I felt like this would be the best way, would be to just dig them up, and that way I don't have to spray anything on it. So I'm gonna go empty this way out back and keep going.
It's true, this part of the year
Good thing about this method is if you find any rocks, you can go ahead and clean them up. If you just sprayed everything out, that opportunity, would you?
Each day we're together on the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love.
So what I do is I get to the center of the plant most of the time and lift everything up, all the runners. Got them like that, and then I'm just going to dig around, lift it up. There, my friends. Look at that grub worm. It's the first one I've seen from doing all this. It's the first one I've seen in my lawn, period. I haven't sprayed a preventive, but you know, maybe it's time. You guys didn't see that, but it's dead now. And another rock. And that is another advantage of weeding by hand. You can spot pests. That grub worm. I think the best part of doing this by hand is the fact that it's like instant. You know, once I get done, most of the weeds are gonna be gone. Can't get them all because there's too many, but if I can get most of them that are crowding out the Bermuda, then I can wait a little bit longer before I spray anything.